Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today I have a layout for you with the brand new Traci Reed Designs Bountiful collection. And I'm also working on day 15 for my 2023 October Daily album. This will be my final video for this year for October Daily, and I am excited to put this album on the shelf for a little while, turn and shift my focus to December Daily. But first, we got to share these wonderful new designs and elements from the Bountiful collection. And I decided that I would do another layered frame layout. And I started with one of the rainbow elements in the collection. You can see that I have them printed out there by my right hand. But before I started the layout, I took those into the Silhouette software, kind of made them the size of the page that I'm working on, and then printed the individual layers. And I also sort of made my own little windows in the pattern papers to create this sort of rainbow frame effect. And so I'm going to build on that today. And then, of course, the whole thing will have the photo here in the background that you see after you go through all the layers of the frame. And so the photo itself is just the full width of the page, and in order to show the faces through the frame, I went ahead and positioned them using that last frame page. And so that created, space above and below, because their heads in the original photo are more towards the top, so in terms of composition. So that's why there's space at the top and the bottom, and so it's all positioned onto the little polka dot pattern paper from the Bountiful collection. And then the embellishments and the journaling that I'm adding here they're all going to follow the line of the top and the bottom of the photo. Just a very simple way to organize that layout and not overcomplicate it, and but also give you a feeling that it's embellished and it fits in with the rest of the layout. And I thought you would like to see this layout completed today with the photo. The last layout that I did like this, I didn't have a photo yet, but this one was perfect to use for this story, which incidentally is a story about how River volunteered with their best friend at a local church here in Kernersville for their fall festival, and they were chosen to run the ring toss. And so we went over to the festival to see them and cheer them on, and toss some rings, and have just a little bit of fun here at Fall Festival. And so that was a really fun adventure. I think they enjoyed it and had a good time, and of course an excellent photo and story opportunity for October Daily. And so as you can see here, the elements from the rainbow, I made it so that they could be adhered to the edges of the frame. And I love this. I love taking a shape from a digital collection like this and furthering it, furthering that concept, taking that concept literally into the third dimension. Not to be cheesy or anything, but just to carry it forward and bring it to life a little bit more. I think that's so awesome. I've played with Traci Reed's rainbows before. I just think they're so much fun to layer and do some fun creative things with. So I'm now adhering the individual layers together here with the foam tape. I cut all the actual, like, putting down the foam tape. I cut that out of the video just because that's kind of boring to watch. But the fun part begins here, where I'm going to start adding the individual elements. So what I'm using, the trees and the pumpkins and the little animal characters, they're so cute. These are all stickers from the Bountiful collection. And there is a pack of Ellie's in the digital kit as well. But the first thing that I do when I get a new digital collection is go ahead and print out all the stickers and just run them through the silhouette. It takes, 20-30 minutes to do that. And then just to start getting a feel for the collection and how I want to work with it. And so that's always a fun thing to do. I love my favorite thing about this one of my favorite things about this collection is this gorgeous color palette with pinks and burgundies and beautiful greens. I also am dying over these trees. You'll see me use these again for the Bountiful collection release. They're just gorgeous trees, and look how beautifully they layer. And look, I almost forgot to add the little rainbow detail here to the top layer. Luckily, I caught that and added that back in. And then I am gonna just cover up the bottom. Now, I created my own little kind of scalloped edge to the bottom of the rainbow. Traci has a scallop edge across the bottom for the sticker itself, but it didn't scale down the same way. So I edited that a little bit to accommodate the layout for you. If you want to see a more detailed video about how I do these layers in the silhouette, you can check that out in my Traci Reed Designs playlist, or in the tutorials playlist, or also in the October Daily 2023 playlist. There is a more detailed tutorial on that, on working with these layers in the silhouette to kind of get the layered look that you want, because it does involve a little bit of work in silhouette, but it's all worth it. And the way that it turns out is so delightful to me. I'm really liking creating like this. And again, I wanna credit, there's a lovely paper crafter, 3D paper artist on Pinterest. She goes by Scrinkle, S-K-R-S, I can't remember how it's spelled now, S-C-R-I-N-K-L-E. And she does her own drawings and cuts them out by hand with an X-Acto knife. But these digital collections are perfect to achieve the same look in probably a little bit less time. All right, so here's the detail on how I'm adding these into the album and interacting with the photo. So the frame itself is going in. These are little plastic inserts from Citrus Twist, and so they're already pre-punched. They just adhere to the back of the layout, and then that allows me to put the photo in the back and the frame in the front, and that was it. Thank you so much for following along this October with this album. I will pick it back up again next year. For now, it's bye-bye October Daily, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.